Hi, Pipers. Happy Thursday workbook. Let's find out what's happening on Thursday. Now remember, tomorrow's the day you're going to tell me what is your favorite time. The favorite time of the day. It might be lunch, it might be music, it might be playing outside. We're going to find out your favorite time tomorrow on Friday. But today, we're going to start with our first page, seeing what sounds are on the left and matching them up with things on the right. Okay, the first picture I see is a hat. Now, Kathy highlighted the H for you. That's our beginning sound. Ha ha ha, hat. The T is the end sound, but we're not interested in end sounds today because our direction word to remember is begins. Circle, oh, we're not going to put an X on it. We're not going to put a line underneath it. Circle the thing in each row that begins with the same sound as the first one. There's the first one, hat. What begins with an H? Ha, 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 ha. You can look across. The beginning sounds are the first letters. Ha, ha, ha. There's a matching H, so we'll circle the horse, not the cow or the goat. Here, the beginning sound is a what? You got it, a C. Look across and find the C. Put a ring around it, then come back to me. If you said car, you're correct. Pencil begins with a P. Boat begins with a B. The next one is a present. Present begins with a letter P. Actually, a consonant blend, PR. But they're just saying beginning sounds here, so we're looking for a P. Go across, find the P word, P. You said paintbrush, you are correct. And the last one, balloon, begins with a B. Circle the B word and it's a banana. Well done, pre-Ks. Well done. All right, our next page is another time page. By the end of the week, I hope we can tell time. This one has the two clocks we've been talking about. The digital clock on the left, that's the one that's so easy breezy to read. And the circle clock on the left, that's the one that's so hard to read. So let's look at the digital clock first because we said that one was so easy to read. And the first number on the digital clock, that's your hour. And the two numbers after the dots, remember, that's your minutes. Hour on the left, minutes on the right. So this clock says what? 6 o'clock. 00 means the beginning of the hour. No minutes have passed. It's 6 o'clock. Now look at the circle clocks on the left. Where's the little hand pointing to the 6? Do you see it? There it is. Draw a line from the digital clock to the circle clock. All right, this digital clock says what? What number is that? Correct, that's a 5. Look across and find the little hand. No, that's not a 5. Oh, there's the 5, pointing to the 5. Go do the last two. Put me on pause and come back and see if you match. 3 o'clock, pointing to the 3. 8 o'clock, pointing to the 8. Time is great. We're working on those digital clocks and the circle clocks. All right, this sheet is all about sounds again. Let's read those directions. Trace each letter. Okay, we can do that. Draw a circle. Ooh, there's a direction word. Around 2, another direction word. Pictures in each row that begin with the same sound. All right, well, that's easy breezy. We know how to start at the red dot, half a circle, and a straight line. And then we're going to look across and find two things that begin with A. Apple. Cat. Nope. Arrow. Two things in each row. Go ahead, turn me on pause, and see if you agree with Kathy's answers when you come back. Did you finish too? Excellent for you. All right, take a look and see if your paper looks like Kathy's. B for boat and ball. C for cat and car. D for duck and dog. E for egg and elephant. F for fish and feather. You've got it, pre-Ks. Another clock. Here we go. Read the directions. Look at the time below each clock. Draw a little hand. They give you the big hand. Draw a little, that's our direction word, little hand on the clock to match. So the digital clock here, the digital clock that's so easy breezy to read, says what time? 2 o'clock. All right, so we have to make a little hand pointing to that 2. It can't be as big as the big hand because that's our minute hand, remember? So this little hand now is pointing to the what? The 2. Here the little hand's pointing to the 4. Here the little hand's pointing to the 9. And here the little hand's pointing to the 11. It's very close to that big hand. Make sure you're making small little hands that are our hour hands, not our big minute hands. The next page is another sound page. The same as the last one, only now we're doing the letters G through M. So it's the same direction. Start at the red dot. Follow the dots to make the letters G through M and find two things that begin with each sound. Goat. Gate. Not rocket, that would begin with the R. Put me on pause and come on back and see if we match. All right, look and see. Do you agree with me? I have H for hand and helicopter. I for ice cream, long I and iron, 2 long I's. J for jar and juggler. K for key and king. L for ladder and lion. M for mouse and moon. And our last page today, number 6, hip hip hooray, is probably the hardest page, I say. We're going to find out how many clocks say 4 o'clock and how many clocks say 9 o'clock. All right, I'm going to use 2 different colors, and you might want to do this at home as well, because if you just circle clocks or try to count them, you might be counting them over and over again. So I'm going to use orange for the 4 o'clocks, and I'm going to use blue for the 9 o'clocks. All right, so I'm going to look for 4 o'clocks. I have my orange. Okay, well, this one says 4 o'clock. Okay, oh, that says 4 o'clock on his wrist. Oh, another 4 o'clock. No, that's 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Oh, there's another 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Oh, another 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. All right, did you find them all? I think we've got them all. All right, so now we're going to count them. How many clocks say 4 o'clock? 1, 2, 3. Keep looking. If those orange, 4. 5. 5 clocks. Down with a belly and a hat on its head makes the number 5. 5 clocks say 4 o'clock. All right, let's look for the 9 o'clocks. That's a 10. Oh, there's a 9. Oh, that's a 9. Oh, that's a 9. Point to the 9. Yep. Oh, that's 9 o'clock digital. That's 6. 9. 4. Oh, 9. All right, did we find them all? Let's check and see. How many clocks say 9 o'clock? We're looking for the blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down and over from heaven makes that 7. Which number's bigger? You got it, the 7. The 9 o'clock wins. Great fun today with telling time.